Are you struggling to keep up with increasing sales and complexity of your operations? Is your overdependence on manual processes and critical employees increasing your risk of delivering on time in full to your customers? In this video, we'll show you how we helped a rapidly growing Walmart supplier of mac and cheese go from dependence to a world-class manufacturer and significantly increase their on-time in full score. Each day, the production and delivery staff had to manually update the raw material inventory, the finished item inventory in different Excel sheets. The sales staff had to manually enter POs from Walmart EDI portal and then download the sales and purchase orders from QuickBooks into yet another Excel sheet. The production staff now had to manually combine all this data with the master item bill of material, human and machine capacity to come up with a production plan for each workday or week. Because of the myriad of Excel sheets that were being updated by multiple people, they ended up with a lot of data inconsistencies, which led their team to spend upwards of 12 man-hours each day coming up with the necessary plans. Even with all this effort, when the orders from Walmart started growing rapidly, they simply could not scale and their management staff was pushed beyond their limits. With PowerCentral's comprehensive business management system in place, thousands of sales orders are now automatically entered into the ERP without any manual intervention with EDI integration. By fully integrating easy-to-use mobile barcode apps, shop floor personnel reliably enter data effortlessly into the ERP. With this high-quality data now flowing into the ERP, the planning staff has access to a comprehensive, single-page, and highly interactive on-time delivery dashboard that makes shipment planning, production planning, procurement planning, HR and machine planning easy to perform in just under 15 minutes a day. Food business owners ourselves, we created PowerCentral as a one-stop management solution for small and mid-sized food and beverage companies. Built using trusted Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Azure Cloud Platform, PowerCentral automates and streamlines all your business processes to help manage your business.